How to assemble the pencil once you have pressed it. This is on the Sublimation MDF. What we do offer is a jig in 0.6 millimeters. You just need to buy it once off in order to do what you need to do here. And all you're going to do is take the 3 millimeter MDF backing board, and then you are given some 3M. Okay, sorry about that. I just had to get an air pen. You will take off the one side of the 3M, and the jig is there to help you align this up. It will just release from my finger. There we go. And you need to rub it so it sticks to the board. I'm just going to release this for now. Don't we have a scraper? We don't have a scraper here. I'm just going to use a ruler. This should work. And then you're going to pull this off the other backing. If it starts to peel the membrane away, then it's not stuck properly. This 3M is very sticky. It's like a thin membrane that it leaves behind. Okay, so I'm just going to put it back in the jig. And then we're going to take the MDF that you pressed on and just insert it. And that should make it flush with the bottom board. And then you must press it. There we go, guys. It's stuck and flush with the backing board. So that's what that jig helps you for. I'm just gonna, I think, press it again to make it sure it's stuck, but it looks stuck. Right, then you get given a book. You can buy these books extra if you want, if the teacher runs out. The book actually fits in like this. If you buy the template from us, you just need it once off to make many, and in the design you get, you can easily put a teacher's name in as well. So once again, we're just going to take off the one side of the 3M. Just kind of stick it in the middle. It's smaller than the notebook. I didn't want glue to get anywhere. Scrape it down. Remove the other . So we've got it stick. Try again. There we go. And then we're going to stick the pad, make sure it's the right way. into the slot. There we go. There guys is your MDF sublimation pencil. We will provide these blank for you to do exactly what we have done.